cottage cheese at all?
Sure. Okay, you gotta like run as soon as you pour in the vinegar.
Yeah, I know. I'm just doing that. I don't know how much it needs.
I'm just gonna take a few steps back here. Is it working?
No.
You sure?
Yes.
Maybe we did it in too big of a bottle.
No shit.
Probably need more baking soda.
Yeah. That was a fail.